Ford CEO Jim Farley revealed another electric pickup in the works at an event marking the launch of the long-awaited 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning electric truck. Will produce at Blue Oval City, a new campus in Stanton, Tennessee. Ford is spending $11.4 billion to build an electric vehicle assembly plant and a gigawatt battery plant there, as well as 2 more gigafactories in Kentucky. At the Blue Oval City facility announcement in March 2023, CEO Jim Farley confirmed few details about the next-generation EV pickup, promising that the new vehicle would revolutionize America's trucking. The second-generation truck and its new engine plan for never-before-possible efficiency, and the development of the vehicle is called Project T3. Ford says it stands for Trust the Truck. It could be an electric version of the Ford Ranger. Ford also once considered a pickup version of the Bronco, but those plans were shelved. Ford reaffirmed that the new facility will begin production when it goes live in 2025 and support a volume of up to 500,000 trucks annually. On a side note, Farley said that Ford is aiming to become the No. 1 electric pickup truck maker. 2 years ago nobody thought something he wouldn't believe from us. Production on Lightning actually started 2 weeks ago. More than 2,000 have been built to date and are headed to customers. Ford is ramping up production to 150,000 Lightnings a year, nearly doubling the 80,000 trucks Ford says it can produce in 2023. The most important, the F-Series has been the best-selling truck in the United States for 45 years. If just a fraction of F-150 buyers recognize the Lightning's merits and give it a chance, it could easily become the best-selling electric pickup. With its dual motors and long-range battery, it boasts 563 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque. And makes it the fastest model, beating the F-150 Raptor's 0 to 150 mph performance. This 5-passenger supercrew cab with a 5.5-foot bed is the only version with independent rear suspension for greater handling. With an extended battery range of 320 miles, it allows owners to avoid high fuel prices while minimizing range anxiety. Ford is investing $30 billion in electric vehicles by 2025, and 40% of its U.S. sales by 2030 will be electric vehicles, or about 1.5 million vehicles per year.